So once you've got your first collection of doTERRA oils and you've got that first bottle and they arrive and you open that box and there's this wonderful aroma and you're so excited and you can't wait to try them, but you kind of go, now what? So they look lovely, but I'm not 100% sure what this oil does. I'm not 100% sure how I use this oil maybe. So with our particular team, and as you probably know, that doTERRA is a network marketing organization. So, we all work in different teams and different teams have different things that they do. Our team is absolutely super. You want to be with us on your doTERRA journey, because I've not come across anything as incredible as this is. So what you'll get with our doTERRA family is something fabulous called Oil Camp. Now, Oil Camp is your introduction to basically your oil collection. So if you come on board and you join with our collection of top 10 essential oils, we have a whole camp around this, and it lasts for 10 days. It's on demand, so you can hop in and out as and when suits you. There's training. It shares what the different oils do, how to use them. There's everybody else who's fairly new to their oils as well, who come into the group and have a good chat and share their experiences. There are things that you can make and do so that you can actually really dive in and start experiencing the oils. People come back to Oil Camp again and again because every camp is different, because there are different people on the camp each time. So you can come back and you might learn something new, find something different. It's just a really good, sociable, fun way to learn about your essential oils. So I absolutely adore Oil Camp. Definitely, when you just get your oils, come along, join camp. It's free and it's exclusively to our doTERRA customers only, so you get that link to join there. The other thing that we also offer, which is exclusive within our team, is our oil education classes. So again, these are on demand. You can access them as and when you like, and use them to learn about the different areas that you want to know about. So there is around about 10 different on-demand classes that you can do, and they cover everything from using essential oils for women's issues, for pets, and with children, and with cleaning your home. Lots of different things that you can do. Now, you can either do all of them if you wish to, that's fine. Again, it's free just for our customers. So you have to be one of our customers to access this. You'll get a free link and you can hop in at any time and do any of those classes to really, again, help you get to know the oils that you have, get to know more about different oils that you might not yet have and you might want to bring into your life and your home, according to what your particular needs are. If you love cooking, there's another class about how to use essential oils for cookery. So there's two really great things that you can do. The other thing that is exclusive to our team is we have access to an app called Droply. Now, Droply is a charged app, but our team has bought Droply for us for free. So if you come on as a customer with myself or any of my team members, you will get access to Droply for free. You can access it on your desktop and you can access it on your phone. And what it is, it's a really handy reference guide where you can look up what an oil does, what an oil is for, the best ways to use it. And there are also recipes and blends that you can follow to use that oil. that have all been put on the app for you. Really simple, quick and easy, and it means that you always have that to hand. You don't have to wait for someone from the team or myself to get back to